Hello dear students, my name is Riha Rai and welcome back to the rhymes class. So today we are going to learn another rhyme. And the name of the rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. Okay. First of all, I am going to recite the whole rhyme for you all. So let's start. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat on wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. So let us do it with action, okay? Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Okay? Let us repeat the rhyme with action once more. Okay? So let's start. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Okay? Thank you. Bye.